Hello guys, this is Train Tourist here, and today we are at Finsbury Park. We'll be seeing services of Hull trains, LNER, Thameslink, Great Northern, and hopefully some freights as well. Oh, and Grand Central and LNER. And LNER Zoomers. I said LNER a lot. Okay, let's see what shall turn up. Okay guys, here's Lumo. That Lumo is going to London King's Cross, and coming around the corner is Great Northern. Oh yes! Oh yes! Yes! 8 coaches, best driver ever! That's going from London King's Cross to King's Lynn, and the Lumo was going from Edinburgh to London King's Cross, I think. Okay guys, here is Great Northern service from London King's Cross to Elon, I think. Most of these stations I do not know how to pronounce. Okay guys, here is train from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. 9 coaches, lovely 2 for the driver there, thank you. Coaches to London King's Cross from Edinburgh. Don't know why I sound confused, I know it. Both road. Okay. Sorry guys, did not hear that one coming. Goodness me.